Good afternoon, friends, and welcome to the mid-market update from the advisory desk. Firstly, to take you to the market, it opened on a flat note. Nifty up by 10 points when it started the trade, and Sensex were up by almost 20 points. Now, take you to the fact about the US markets is ended up by 111 points yesterday on the Dow Jones. It's just about 20-30 points away from the all-time high. The US markets, the couple of data from the Fed points out to the dovish stance on the liquidity part, which also states that this tapering would kind of delayed and will start now at March 2014 instead of Jan 2014. So this is pushing FII the money into the Indian markets. More or less the rally which you saw yesterday was partly related to the liquidity driven which is the FIIs are getting in the market from the US as well as the UK and other countries, and partly was attributed to the Governor Rajan's comments regarding the repo rate and the MSF rate. He has kind of maintained that relationship between both the rates and has brought down to 50 bips. Which he had promised about 2 months back. He has also given kind of a borrowing limit extending to 0.5 instead of 0.25 of the net debts and the total liabilities. So that makes it a lot more kind of liquidity into the system for the banks, which would release almost 20,000 crores into the system. These kind of factors are considered before investing in the market by the FII and other institutes. And it has gone down well with all the market operators as well as the financial investors. Bharti has announced the results today. It was not as bad as expected. The net debt stands at $9.7 billion. They had a big hit on the forex part, which they took about 342 crores of the forex loss because of the loans they have in various currencies. And in that period of time, the Indian rupee had depreciated against all the major currencies like dollar, Swiss franc and Japanese yen. We have Jindal Steel and Power to be announced results today. We have Lupin is also another pharma stock which is going to announce its result. So we need to wait and watch what are the results. Compared to other mid-cap counters, Havells announced the results. It was better than the street's estimate, and the stock is doing up by almost 4.5 to 5%. Lupin's net profit will determine kind of how the pharma phase is faring. Friends, on the forex part, we have 61.55, 61.60 rupees trading versus dollar. Not much movement seen, and it looks like rupee has found a space and is stabilizing around this levels. That's all the news and updates we have. We'll get back to you more in post market. Thank you.